The elevator doors slid open with a faint, uneasy sigh, revealing flickering lights and faded wallpaper peeling at the edges. I stepped inside, pressing the button for the 10th floor. Almost immediately, a faint voice hissed from the panel. "Basement." I froze. The button I pressed glowed red, but the elevator rumbled downward instead of up. Panic prickled my skin as I jabbed at the controls, but every button whispered a different word. Ashes. Forgotten. Never. My heart hammered wildly as the numbers blinked erratically, skipping floors I'd never seen before. The whispers grew louder, overlapping, urgent. Home. Buried. Yours. With every floor the air thickened, heavy with the scent of rot and cold earth. The doors slid open to endless darkness, and something shambled just beyond sight. I slammed the close door button, but it only whispered, "Stay." The walls began to pulse, alive with voices clawing at my ears. My reflection in the mirrored panel grinned, my mouth unmoving, frozen in a sinister smile. The elevator lurched violently. The last thing I heard before the lights died was every button chanting in unison, "You've arrived." When the doors opened again, I was gone. Only the whispers remained, echoing in the empty shaft.